So welcome back, guys, to another video on Kids Coding Playground. So this will not be a coding video. So this is actually a video of me playing Win the White House. So recently, in America, there was a voting. Like a couple of days ago, there's election day. So in America, what they have is like election day where you vote for a president. So the two candidates were Trump and Biden. And recently this afternoon, Biden just won. So this reminds me of this game called Win the White House I used to play. So as you can see, this is the results right now. So Biden has already won. So like the game, you need 270 to win. So yeah, this is the election right now. Now let's hop into the game. So the link's in the description if you actually want to play it. So let's start the game. So I'm going to click new game. So, I'm just gonna finish this. Okay, so I have to make my character right now. I used to play this game a long time ago. Let's see, what character should I pick? Maybe pick this one. Okay, I'm gonna name myself Joe Biden because Joe Biden won. Biden. Continue. So I'm gonna choose, let's see. New York, I guess, as the home state. I don't know. Issues. I'm just gonna pick Democratic because Joe Biden was Democratic. So let's see. Retirement security. I'm just gonna pick some random ones. Education. Prevent gun violence. Address climate change. Let's see. Let's do address climate change as the
We need to win the party's primary elections before.
Okay, I know how. Okay, so let's see. So these are hot issues for the Democratic, so I'm gonna present this one.
I stand for stronger
Explain yourself.
Pollution. The government should. Yeah, this one.
Okay. And how?
I think this one.
That makes no sense at all.
I haven't played this game in a long time, so I'm not as good as I used to be. Retirement security. Let's do that.
I'm here
to.
How so?
Make sure to. This one. I'll pick this one.
Sure thing. But
this one. Let's see.
I bet that would get some.
Okay, so now let's pick another issue. So this is so basically the point of the game is just to like answer questions, present ideas, and stuff like that. So I'm actually gonna like skip this area. I'm gonna finish this and move on, and I'm gonna move on to the winning the White House part. So I'm done answering all the questions, and I picked all my issues. So I just picked a random one, okay, a random slogan or whatever. So let's just finish this. So I just finished the profile, and now, yes, I know how to do this. So you're just gonna launch the campaign now. So this is the convention. So now I'm just gonna pick. I'm just gonna select this one, whatever.
My vice.
And after this, we're gonna have to go to the White House, like the voting area. So this is the Republican Party, and I picked the Democratic Party, so this is the other convention. Okay, so this is week 1. So what you're supposed to do is first get funding. You're first supposed to get funding, fundraiser. So then, for fundraiser, you're supposed to pick the one with like high value or something, like Texas or something. So when you use fundraising, you get these points right here, and then you use the points to do these different things. So the more points you have, the more actions you can do. So now I have 3 points. That means I can do all of these. So now the opponent will be trying to get funding as well. So let's try doing media, okay? Let's just pick a state, like Pennsylvania, sure. Okay, so now you have to answer questions. So supported issues, I'm gonna pick this one. Run the campaign, and then you're supposed to answer questions. So I'm gonna pick this one because I think that's the right one. As you can see, you get it right. So you're supposed to pick the right answer, and then you go. And then
It's a sad day for the Republic.
So now I have more control over here. So now, as you can see, everything you use.
Breaking news.
So now, let's try to do an appearance, I guess. So select New York. So you're supposed to select another one. Usually you're supposed to select supported issues. So I'm gonna select this one because I also have this one. So I'm gonna do this. So federal funding for education. So you want to do more educational stuff. So let's find that. So I'm pretty sure it's this one. So let's give the speech. So as you can see, I got it correct. So
The Democrats are doing really
so
well
now
at their
there's a new
latest stop.
momentum, as you can see. So the more you do it, the more you're just trying to control different states and stuff like that.
Today's efforts on the campaign trail.
What else? So now we have polling. So just select a state that you have not polled yet. So let's do this one. As you can see, most of them in Georgia are popular to Democratic. So now it's the opponent's turn. Okay. So we are losing right now. As you can see, they have more points than us. Okay, so now we're winning because we have
If
more
your
points now.
popularity is
So to win the White House, you have to get 270 electoral college votes, like in real life. So you always have to use fundraising first to get these points. Just fundraise in California.
you need to be in the lead.
I have to let's see this. Fundraise here, I guess. You have to have a state that's supporting you, I guess, in order to get the points. You have to have a state that's supporting you to get more points. So let's do a media on here so then we can take California back. So there's some supported issues are these. I have none of these, so I'm just gonna do. Oh yeah, I have one of them. Yeah, let's do global cooperation. So America is stronger than this one. Cooperation gets more done. So as you can see, televising the ad.
The Democrats are doing really well
Now
at their
the new
latest stop on
momentum
the
is
campaign.
Democratic.
The Republican.
So now you guys have an idea of how the game works. I'm gonna skip to the end, and then I'll show you at the end who will win. So see you guys later. So there's still 4 more weeks left, and it looks like I already won, but you still have to wait until the weeks are over. So I already have more than 270 electoral votes. So see you guys at the end when I'm about to win or lose. So as you can see, now it's 1 week left. So this is gonna be the last week. So I'm gonna try to win now. I'll be recording the rest of this. So let's go to New York. So let's get the 3 coins so then we can do more actions. Let's see. Let's make a polling. So these numbers right here actually mean the number of electoral votes you will win. So I'm gonna go for the highest one, which is Arizona. Let's go here. So yeah, it's a blue state. That means I get more points. So it's the opponent's turn now. So it looks like they're trying to get.
The voters were
They're
disappointed.
trying to get Arizona. So I'm gonna make an appearance in. Let's see. Let's make an appearance in Massachusetts. Retirement security. This one. So you have to answer correctly in order to actually get some value.
It's a sad day for the
So
Republic.
now, Massachusetts is going.
Today's efforts on the
So we have 1 more point to use media. Let's use it on. Let's see. Let's use it on New Jersey. Supported issues. Actually, no. I don't think I should use that on this one. I don't have any good ones for. Let's go for. Let's see. Washington. How about that? Voting rights. So for voting rights, the right to vote, yeah, it's this one. Televise the ad.
The Democrats are serious opponents for
Yep.
the...
Okay, and this is the last day, election day. Finally. Okay. Let's see if I win. So the more states that are with you, then you'll win. So as you can see, I'm at 303 points, and the opponent's only at like 163. Wow, I have so much points right now. Okay, I think I'm definitely gonna win, I can tell. Wow. So, oh wow, New York's completely Democratic right now. And then, so it looks like I won.
Congratulations!
So 368
You
to
beat your
170.
opponent by a...
So I won. So that's it. So these are the states I flipped. So yeah, that's pretty much the game of Win the White House. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.